Yes. The question, up to which number I gave you? Up to which number I gave you?
Sir, till 21, sir.
21, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 22. I'm writing the question. If you know, then we will go to next question. If you know the process, I'm writing the question 22. 22 question is solve 4x square minus 9x minus 100 equal to 0, where x belongs to q, where x belongs to q. That is question number 22. Can you solve that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next 23. Question number 23 I am writing 3x square plus 11x plus 10 equal to 0, where x belongs to integers I. Can you solve that?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yes. 24 x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 of 1 by 3, where x not equal to 0. Can you solve this?
Sir, this explain, sir.
Okay, I will explain this. That is question number 24th. 24th. Next question number 25th. Which one you want, I will give you. If you want
Yes, sir.
all questions, I will give you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't feel shy.
Yes, sir.
Learn all question solutions. 25. 5x minus 35 by x is equal to 18. Can you?
Uh, yes.
25.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 26. 10x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. This is 26. From 25 and 26, I will give you one question. Which question I have to give you?
Sir, 25 you give, sir.
Yeah, I will give 25. This is 26. Now 27th question I am writing.
Yes, sir.
3a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Tell me, classwork or homework this is?
Sir, classwork, sir.
Question number 27, right?
Yes, sir.
Remaining questions, are you copying?
Sir, 26th one I didn't copy, sir.
Yeah, I will give you 26.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
26th is 10x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. And 27
Yes,
is classwork. 28 I am writing 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0, where a comma b belongs to real numbers.
yes, sir. Right.
What about this question?
Sir,
What about this question? CW or HW?
sir, C double is classwork.
Okay, 28 this is. Next 29. 5x square minus 12x minus 9 is equal to 0, when first one x belongs to I, second one x belongs to q. What about this?
Sir, I'll do, sir.
29. 30. 2x square minus 11x plus 15 equal to 0, when first one x belongs to natural numbers, second one x belongs to integers. What about this?
Sir, homework, sir. Classwork, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
30.
Yes, sir.
31. Root 3x square plus 11x plus 6 root 3 is equal to 0,
Sir, this you explain, sir.
31. 32. I think this also I have to explain. 2 root 5 x square minus 3x minus root 5 equal to 0.
Sir, explain, sir.
Okay. This also classwork or homework?
Classwork, sir.
Yes. 32. Then one more. 33 x square minus 1 plus root 2 into x plus root 2 equal to 0. What about this? Classwork?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
I'll do, sir. I'll do, sir.
Okay. And if you not get, ask me tomorrow also, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I will start with 24. Question number 24. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting blur?
No, sir.
This is very fine, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will follow this. Now 24th question. 24th, solve that x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 of 1 by 3, where x not belongs to 0. Why x not belongs to 0? If this x is equal to 0, 1 by 0 is infinity.
Yes, sir.
So we can't get solution. That's why x not equal to 0. Do LCM. I'm doing LCM.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm doing LCM. See, LCM x into 1 is x is LCM, and x into x square plus 1 into 1 1 is equal to 3 3 ja 9. This is mixed fraction, we have to write into simple fraction. 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Now cross multiplication. 3 into x square 3x square plus 3 into 1 3 is equal to 10 into x 10x. Now taking 10x this side, 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now factorization. To make factorization, we have to know what are the coefficient of x square and constant. 3 3. So 3 into 3 3 3 ja 9, and we have to know factors of 9. Only one, that is 9 1 ja. Already 3 3 ja over, na? So remaining 9 1 ja 9. Now 3 plus 3 6, not 10. 3 minus 3 0, not 10. 9 plus 1 10 we are getting. So we can take what? 3x square minus 9x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from these two we can take what common? 3 and x also. Why? Because 3 multiple this 9 and x we have in two terms. Taking 3x common, remaining one more x is there, minus 3 is there. 3 3 is 9. Okay. Now
Yes,
from
sir.
these two we can take minus 1 common. Taking minus 1 common, x is there, and from plus we are taking minus common, so more minus is there. Minus into minus you will get plus, and 3 is there is equal to 0. We should make these two terms will be same. Now taking x minus 3 common, remaining here 3x and here minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 0 product rule we have to apply, that is x minus 3 is equal to 0, or this also equal to 0. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 3 is one root, I mean one solution, or 3x is equal to 1, taking minus 1 that side plus 1, and x is equal to 1 by 3. 3 taking that side, it will be denominator. Therefore solution set is equal to, what are the values? 3 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 comma 3. So this is the solution set for this question number 24. Copy fast. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now question number 25. We have to solve question number 25. I'm writing question. Question number 25 is solve five x minus 35 by x is equal to 18. Do LCM for this denominator take as 1, and LCM is x into 1 is x, and x into 5x will be 5x square, minus 35 into 1 is 35 is equal to 18, and take denominator 1. Why? Because to apply cross multiplication, that is cross multiplication you have to do, that is 1 into this you will get that only same 5x square minus 35 is equal to 18 into x, 18x, taking 18x this side you will get minus 18x, that is 5x square minus 18x minus 35 equal to 0. Now factorization, then zero product rule, then simplification. Okay, now factorization, 5 into 35, 5 into 35 equal to 5 5 is 25, and 5 3 is 15, 16, 17, 175.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದು ಸಹ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಪೇ. Okay, now 35 5 is 175. Factors of 175 we have to do here. First check with 3. 3 5 is 15, 16, 17, 25. You will not get with 3. So 5. 5 5 3 is 15, 16, 17. 5 5 is 25. Now 5 7 is 35. And 7 1 is only. 7 1 is 7. So 5 into 7 is equal to 175. Now to get 18, 25 7 is 175, but 25 minus 7 is 18. 25 minus 7 is 18. So we got already, that is 25 7 ja 175, and 25 minus 7 is equal to 18. I am writing 5x square minus 25x plus 7x, minus 25 plus 7 minus 18 minus 35 is equal to 0, and from these two we can take 5x common. 5 5 is 25, and we can take x also common. So you will get taking 5x common more x, minus taking 5 common 1 more 5, and x already common. Plus from these two we can take a plus 7 common, taking 7 common, x is there, minus 5 is there, is equal to 0. Now x minus 5 taking common, remaining here 5x plus here 7 is equal to 0. Now zero product rule, x minus 5 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to, you will get 5, or, and this is 5x is equal to minus 7. You have to find x na. So x is equal to minus 7 by 5 you will get. So this is one value, that is one more value. Therefore solution set is equal to minus 7 by 5 comma 5, minus 7 by 5 comma 5. So this is the answer. Copy this. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy. Okay, Jibin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next question number 25 finish, now 27. I will start
Yes, sir.
27. After 27 we will take 10 minutes break.
Yes, sir.
That question number 27 is, three a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. We have to find the solution for this set. Okay, so similar problem we completed, I think. Okay, we will see. Yeah, 3 4 ja 12, 3 plus 4 7, we are not getting. 3 minus 4 1, we are not getting, but we have more 2 roots. 2 6 12, 2 plus 6 is 8 we are getting. So taking these 2 roots we can solve, that is 3a square x square plus 6abx plus 2abx. We are writing abx here, we have 8 times, we are writing 6 times plus 2 times, again 8abx, and plus 4b square is equal to 0. Now from these two I am taking common. 3 multiple 6, so we can take 3 common, and a square 1a here, we can take 1a common, x square 1x here, we can take 1x also common. So taking x also common, remaining here 3 already common, a common, x common, more a is there, more x is there, ax is there remaining part, plus already taken 3, now 3 2 2 is there, a common, x common, remaining b, completed, plus from these two x not common, 2 2 so 2 will be common term, 2 multiple 4, and a will not get common, why, because there is no a term, and b we can take common, taking 2b common, 2b common, remaining a and x, you will get same term, plus, and already 2 common, remaining more 2 is there, and b 1b common, remaining 1b is there, is equal to 0. Now ax plus 2b we can take common, ax plus 2b taking common, remaining what here, 3ax plus 2b is equal to 0. Now 0 product rule we have to apply. Ax plus 2b is equal to 0, or 3ax plus 2b is equal to 0 we have to write. Now we have to find what is x and what is x from these two. That is here ax is equal to, taking 2b that side, minus 2b, or 3ax is equal to, taking 2b that side, that will be minus 2b. Now we have to find x na, so x is equal to a, taking that side, this will be denominator, minus 2b by a, or, and here a is equal to minus 2b, taking 3a that side, sorry, x is equal to, taking 3a that side, it will be denominator, minus 2a by 2b by 3a. So these are the solutions, and the set, solution set is equal to minus 2b by a comma minus 2b by 3a. So this is the solution set. Okay, copy this solution and take 10 minutes break, and I will send you one more link. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay na?
Yes, sir.
And are you seeing my YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing.
So I will upload this also, and please subscribe and like
Yes,
also.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right, thank you. Right, copy this, copy this.